Guys, welcome back. Big video today. That Dude in Blue is going to be reviewing the MR2. So we have about an 80-mile drive to the open house where we're meeting him. So I'm just going to go ahead and update you guys once we're there. First things first, we got to move this old beast out of the way. So let's go ahead and jump on in. Oh man. Oh. Just gonna leave it at the side of the house this morning. Okay, now that the truck's out of the way, let's go ahead and fire up the MR2, let it warm up a little bit, head on up. Ooh, just a good cold start. Almost forgot the hat. Can't let that happen, boys. Okay guys, we made it back to the VMP open house. I'll go ahead and show you some of the cars that are already here. It starts at 10, which I think it's about 10:05 right now. So there's gonna be more guys pulling in. But let's just go ahead and show you what's already here.
Well, at least you're still talking. Oh, goddamn. Oh, I ain't bad. I'm crazy, motherfucker.
Yeah. Puffy said it's all about the Benjamins. I'm good at making money, but I'm way better at spending it. Yeah. The heartache is killing me. I drink enough to numb the feeling. You know I'm chasing pennies. Mama said I need to see the bigger vision. But I'm broke, mama. I can't pay attention. Hey, I'm dipping in my rent money like it ain't coming at the top of the end of my gas tank. Never wanted to fill it. The chrome wheels make the bitches go sit it. I just park it where they can see. I'm eating out every evening. Copping trees like it's Christmas season. I can spend it before I get it. If you blink, you miss it. And niggas talking about investing. You can miss me with it. Invest in these Jordans, nigga. Look at you with your fancy shoe.
Okay guys, Scott's here.
Hey guys.
I bought him a shift knob as a present for his new Fiesta ST, so we're gonna go do a quick install. Pretty sure this wind is gonna be fucking up all of it.
Oh yeah.
It is what it is. So you're still loving it?
Yeah, I like it a lot. I think it's a good mix between my like my old daily and my Miata. Like it's small, but it's still got some car features.
Yeah. Do you miss the Impala at all? No. Just like
It was nice to move down with, you know, because it had so much room.
right.
Sound pretty tight.
Okay. Tell everybody how to install a shift knob.
You gotta use some elbow grease.
You just gotta twist in a left motion. I know if
This is not pretty tight.
yeah, that's what she said. He's done that before, you can tell.
What? Removed it? The cob.
The cob's lighter
Yeah,
from the
cob's
stock.
lighter.
There you guys go. Matches the steering wheel cover.
Yeah. I really don't like the look of this stock one.
You don't?
No.
Yeah, I don't like the shape of it.
Well, we've joked about it for a long time.
And the shape actually does make a big difference when you're
Whoa,
actually going. It feels different,
way
right?
different.
Not bad, but no.
Because it's taller too.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, it'll make a big difference.
Holy
It
shit.
feels so good.
You're gonna enjoy driving a little bit more now.
Yeah.
Damn.
More than you'd think. It's weird.
We're gonna get you the seats, right? The Recaros. Did that guy ever respond or no?
Yeah, the thing is, the ST3 seats, the all leather ones, I think they're power recline. So if I got those, I wouldn't be able to recline. So I think I need the ones that are half cloth, half leather.
I'm sure we could wire it up then. Like the buttons still remain on the seats, right? No, you just have to give
Yeah,
it
but these
power.
are no power.
Right, but you would just have to give it power.
Yeah, people do it, but I think it's
Yeah.
like,
I don't think it'd be that bad. We could run it into something that goes with ignition or something. Then it'll always have power when the ignition's on.
yeah.
do like the intake boxes.
Was it prevent?
Supposedly when that's like good tires.
This thing's pretty cool.
What you want to do is sell all the shirts that you have. I literally use every week. It's like Monday I wear this shirt, Tuesday I wear this shirt. It's like I got like a 7-day shirt pattern.
Yeah, I sold all my nice clothes, so now I just wear like for the 2 videos.
Yo, wait, what sticker is that?
Okay, so we got the car all lined up. David's about to start reviewing it, so I'll update you once the master's at work. All right, we got the master coming in.
Yo!
Inside and charge it?
Nope, I got 3 more. Okay. SD card. Was my #1 priority today.
Was it?
Yeah.
I'm excited for you to drive it and tell me what you think.
You already know I'm gonna like it. Too. Oh, you're gonna, dude, this is gonna piss somebody off. Can you leave that off?
Okay. Say hi, Scott.
Hi, Scott. Because mentally for me, you know,
Right.
and also having a car meet video is just never went to.
Yeah, now everybody's doing that.
Now everyone's doing that, and I mean montage videos are hard to do anymore because you'll take 100 clips and 3 minutes in, you're done.
Right.
Like that Arizona one I just did. ECU master, cool. Me too.
I need to start snooping around people that time.
That's not going anywhere.
It's like that meme when you strap something down the trailer. That's not going anywhere. No man can go without saying that.
I love the smell of E85.
That's pretty good.
It's like 60 actually.
Yeah.
I'm gonna close the door for lighting. Oh yeah, 4-cylinder, big clutch. Okay.
All right, here with David.
Hello.
He's doing a review.
I'm doing it.
So keep an eye out for this, and it's gonna be good.
I can't wait. Great things. And maybe it could replace the gap that the new NSX left us all with. Because if you think about it, the new NSX could have... Woo! That was so rad. Traction. This thing has such good traction. Man, this thing is fast. Oh God. Like, what's so cool about it is the way the power comes on and you feel the whole car squat and you just go for it. And it's not the look of fear in my face, it's the look of, oh wow, this is great. You know, it's just, I'm gonna focus on the task at hand. And also with the nose being so low, I don't have to look over anything. I can just relax and go for it.
Okay guys, just like that, David finished his review of the MR2, so stay tuned for his channel. If you guys don't know his channel already, I'll go ahead and just link it down below. But that's about all I got for this video. I'm gonna start driving home, I'm already on the road. So if you have any questions, as always, leave it down below also. And make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
Well, at least you're still talking. Oh, goddamn, Mo, I ain't bad. I'm crazy, motherfucker.